This 2025 Winnebago M-Series 2326 MBBH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 25 feet 9 inches in length and features sleep 6, oven, skylight, slide-out, awning, auxiliary battery, stovetop burner, LP detector, smoke detector, air conditioning, microwave, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Winnebago M-Series 2326 MBBH is 4,722 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.